नाज़रीन आदाब, मैं सफदर खैसर आपके रूबरू। मैं ये बताते हुए बेहद मसरत हासिल कर रहा हूँ कि आज मैजेस्टिक नर्सरी हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल जो एक वक्फ इंस्टीट्यूशन है अंजुमन इत्तेहादुल इस्लाम के ज़ेर एहतमाम चलाई जा रही है। यहाँ पे आज सुबह 9:30 बजे से जैसा कि ऐलान किया गया था जॉब फेयर का, तो यहाँ पे तमाम जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ना ही सिर्फ मैसूर और दीगर मकामात से भी यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आए हुए हैं और रजिस्ट्रेशंस जारी हो चुके हैं। और सुबह 9:30 बजे से ही स्टूडेंट्स जो भी नौकरी की तलाश में, रोज़गार की तलाश में हैं, वो यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं और रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह करवा रहे हैं। और बहुत जल्द यानी 10 साढ़े 10 बजे से यहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज़ भी शुरू होने के पूरे इम्कानात हैं। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, पूरे रजिस्ट्रेशन से यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं और तमाम अपने अपने तौर पर जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं वो यहाँ पे जमा करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, देखिए यहाँ भी मौजूद हैं। तकरीबन मैं समझ सकता हूँ यहाँ पे एसएलसी से लेकर जो भी डिग्री होल्डर्स हैं या डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स हैं, जो भी अपने अपने तौर पर काबिलियत है, वो यहाँ पे कसीर तादाद में पहुँच रहे हैं। मैं समझता हूँ ये जॉब फेयर एक कामयाब जॉब फेयर हो सकता है और ये 4 बजे तक इंशाल्लाह मुसलसल चलने वाला है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो बच्चे दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको, वो अपना अपना नाम रजिस्टर करवा चुके हैं और जो करवा रहे हैं वो यहाँ पे कतार में खड़े हुए हैं और कई स्टूडेंट्स आने वाले भी हैं। आपका नाम बताइए। अफशा, कहाँ से हैं आप? कल्याणगिरी। क्या है आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन? एसएलसी। माशाल्लाह। देखिए ये बच्ची एसएलसी होने के बावजूद अपना मुस्तकबिल के लिए यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं। मैं दाद देता हूँ इनको। आपका नाम क्या है बेटा? आफरीन। आप क्या पढ़े हैं?
अब बीए पढ़ रही हूँ।
माशाल्लाह। देखिए ये बच्ची बीए में है और वो भी यहाँ पे आई हुई है। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट बेटा। जैसे कि देखा आपने, एसएलसी की बच्ची हो या बीए की बच्ची हो, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे तमाम, यहाँ पे कैस्ट एंड क्रीड यहाँ हर कौम के बच्चे यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहे हैं। यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा तफरीका नहीं है। मैं एक और लड़की को दावत दे रहा हूँ। आइए। ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಶ್ರುತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೈಸೂರಿನ. ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? BA. ओके, विश ऑल द बेस्ट। आपका नाम बताइए। फ़िज़ा। आप कहाँ से हैं? मैसूर से। क्या है आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन?
सेकेंड ईयर बैचलर ऑफ वोकेशनल कोर्स।
माशाल्लाह, विश ऑल द बेस्ट। कोई है अपार्ट फ्रॉम मैसूर? ಮೈಸೂರು ಯಾರು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. HD ಕೋಟೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು? ಏನು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಓಕೆ, ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈಸೂರು? ನಂಜನಗೂಡಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಮಂಜುಶ್ರೀ. ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್? ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮದು? हाँ, नंजनगुड़ी में। ये क्वालिफिकेशन सर? विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट सर। जैसे देखा आपने, यहाँ पे तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने बात की, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह तमाम मैसूर से लेकर नंजनगुड़ और HD कोटे और वगैरह से भी तमाम मौजूद हैं। मैंने जैसे कि बताया कि यहाँ पे मुंतज़मीन अपनी जाने से तमाम कोशिश करे हुए हैं और मज़ीद तफसीलात के लिए मैं यहाँ जाने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा और जहाँ तक हो सकता है मैं इंशाल्लाह आप तक पूरी तफसीलात पहुँचाने की कोशिश करूँगा।
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all very important personalities to Majestic School, Udaygiri, Mysore. Today is a memorable moment for us because our beloved leader and a founder of WAF, a community properties, Aziz Seth Sahab, who this is a centenary year, birth centenary. To mark this beginning, we are arranging his job fair as per the direction and advice of our beloved MLA, Tanvir Seth sir. On this happy occasion, I welcome all job aspirants because I know the importance of job, that too in a present situation due to pandemic. Many of our youngsters lose their job and they are jobless. To mark this beginning, I welcome the Magic Bus company, and there are so many companies and many more companies, CEOs, executives and HRs and BPOs, all are by the depth of my heart. I welcome, I wish all well to all job aspirants, and I wish the coming year is a brightful year for you all. By saying this few words, I declare open this occasion.
HR, sir, magic books.
Dear job aspirants, all HRs and even Majestic school management. We want to thank, especially for Majestic school management, supporting us to conduct this job fair in their campus. Definitely, there are a lot of openings are available. Nearly 13 to 15 companies are here, and we have around close to 750 openings. You can please, we have some requests to please maintain some social distancing, and during the time of registration, according to your qualification, we will guide you so that you can attend those interviews. Thank you. This time our HRs will be announcing whatever openings they have so that we can go and attend the interviews in that particular classroom.
Let him tell listen. Yes. Tell.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल
सर एक मिनट है सर, एक मिनट ये हो जाने सर.
ये कंप्लीट करके ये कंप्लीट कर डालेंगे उसके बाद बोल रहे ओके सर हाँ Good morning all. I am Harsha from Aspido HR Services. We are a pan-India based company where we do have around 17 branches across India, and we do support for the complete job aspirants who are aspiring to become a marketing person, for a BPO person or an executive person in the sales. All these profiles will be screened with us, and we have a lot of openings with our renowned clients. So I would request every job aspirants to go ahead and take this opportunity and grab your dream jobs. And once again, thank you so much for the Majestic School management, and also for organizing and coordinating with us Magic Bus team. And also I'll welcome all the dignitaries in the dais. With the qualifications, majorly it starts from +2, which is PUC. After PUC till the master degree, we do have openings across India. Then let's see how many people will grab the opportunities which are given to Mysoreans, because our first priority is to give to Mysore. Right? That's a great. Yes, because we want to have more professionals from Mysore to come out, rather than people aspiring to go to Bangalore. It's better we create an opportunity in our city and make our city very proud. Right? Thank you so much.
Good morning. My name is Farha. So I'm from Click Research company. So basically, Click Research is a company wherein we'll be concentrating on the software development process. We have the clients throughout the globe. Like recently, we have signed up a project with the US. So now we are looking here for the job aspirants who are from, especially for the computer science background. Whoever have done their BCA, diploma in CSB, MCA, BSc in computer science can apply. Along with this, we have many inbound process for which we are looking for a marketing executives. And we want the executives who can travel throughout India. because we have many things and we have many projects which are coming. For that we are looking for very young and energetic guys who are there for the marketing field. Along with this, we are even looking for process associates. So females, whoever have done their PUC and who have a good communication skill in English and Kannada can apply. Okay, thank you so much. All the very best for all the job people who have come here. And along with this, we would like to thank the management of Majestic for giving us an opportunity.
Some 300 to 800 quality checkers and printing operators, CCH operators, and also we have weaving section where we require some of the ITI and diploma holders they can work into that, and we have our own terry unit, what we say terry towel unit. That's a huge one, and we have Asia's largest spinning mill where there also we need operators who has all technical background, plus who doesn't have a technical background also we train them for 2 months, 1.5 months with pay, with full food, accommodation, transportation, ESI, PF, whatever, all government statutory norms what we have, everything will be provided. And I expect our qualification goes on. We have from 8th standard till degree, bachelor's. Whoever has something, they feel that I'm 8th standard, 9th standard, I'm not getting a job. We will give them a job, as well as we will give 10th PUC as well as degree aspirants. Degree aspirants, most probably we have more jobs for female candidates because quality checking options. Quality checking requires that skill actually. They should have a very soft skill kind of. They should be maintained because it's a textile company. Thank you, welcome you all, and thank you for Majestic School for giving us an opportunity to conduct this recruitment as well as Magic Plus India. Mr. Vinod, thank you for this. Thank you.
My name is Sakir. I am from the Emerald Solution. Qualification is the SLC to degree. We require the two qualification. SLC is till the degree. Thank you. Thank you for the Magic Plus. Thank you for the Majestic School.
You are from which company?
Emerald Solution.
Emerald Solution.
Emerald Solution.
Good morning to all. I am from NTTF. My name is Ravi Chandra. Actually, we are looking candidates, ITI and diploma candidates. We have company in automotive, Excels India Private Limited in Mysore and Bangalore. We are looking candidates. Any interested candidates can apply. Thank
Please.
you. Thank you so much.
Second the mic.
Good morning, everyone. Well, it's a memorable day here in Narasimharaja Kshetra that today, under the patronage of Mr. Tanveer Seth, we all have assembled for a job fair. This is on the lines of the memories that we carry to commemorate the birth centenary of Janab Aziz Sid Sahab. Well, today we have more than 15 very reputed companies that have come forward to recruit these youngsters. You're all the future of this country, and as one of the HR just now said, there are lots of opportunities, particularly to the Mysoreans. This is a wonderful beginning. We, on behalf of Majestic High School of Mr. Tanveer Seth, and we have a managing committee which takes care of the school. Here, I, on behalf of the institution, profoundly thank all of you for having come in large numbers, trying your luck with your background, with your qualification, and more so. I'm sure your aptitude test will go a long way and you all can get into a nice job. So with these few words, I thank all the companies that have come forward and chosen this place as a destination to have lots of openings for your companies. Thank you once again.
Separate.